Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I've got a great opportunity for you to own a 2018 slightly used 240 Sunliner Harris Tri-Tune. As you can see on the outside, it's already got the Vantage wrap on it. That's going to protect your tunes. It does have a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Let's get on board and check this boat out. Guys, as you can see here, we're aboard this 240 Sunliner. Great boat, great entry boat if you're the first time boater. As you can see, it's got a nice wraparound seating with the diamond stitching. That's what the Sunliner will give you. Side boarding access, you got plenty of cup holders. You got a low back captain's chair with an upgraded Fusion sound system. So whether you guys are at the island or just cruising around, everybody's gonna have a great time. If you go aft of the boat, you're gonna see a huge wraparound seating section with a aft table, plenty of cup holders. You do have your ski pylon, a nice bimini. Guys, this is Braden with MarineMax. Give me a call for a sea trial, 727-744-7304.